Well, welcome to this vintage farmhouse antiques presentation where we're going to run you over this rather lovely little collection of Mirabelle China. It's made by Wedgwood. It was made between the period of manufacture between around 1976 and production finally wound up in 1998. And over that period it was made in a variety of both teawares and dinnerwares. And what we've got in front of us is a rather fine selection from the teawares, including that absolutely gorgeous teapot in front of you with the tall urn-shaped sugar basin and that lovely milk jug. Two cake plates in the background and some trios in the foreground in this characteristic ball shape. Let's just have a little look in detail at the pattern. Lovely floral garlands, tulips, spring flowers, a little rim decoration here just in the transfer design, and this almost round ball teacup shape with a pedestal foot. They should all have Wedgwood black urn and brown made in England stamp marks on them. White bone china, absolutely translucent and thin. The pattern reference number, which we'll see on some of the larger pieces, if I bring that into close focus, you'll see the R4537, which was the internal factory number used for Mirabelle, but most pieces in addition to that will also have the design name Mirabelle with a double L there. Lovely round saucers, plain rim, quite curved, and the side plates that go with these, again beautiful floral decoration in panel around the rims, again with a little garlands and then a bright line, single line of rim gilt. Doesn't actually go over the rim, it is just on the top surface on Mirabelle, but it is just so nice and light, spring colours this. It really is gorgeous for this time of year. Let's have a look at some of these other pieces and show you these now. The sugar basin, again marked Wedgwood, hasn't got the pattern name or number on this particular piece because the base plate on the upper wall of the pedestal foot is so small. But again, beautifully decorated all around the outer wall. No inner wall decoration on the sugar basin. Same on the milk jug. Round ball design, picking up pedestal footed. Beautiful. I love this bit on the Mirabelle, that rosy coloured tulip, and then this is almost like a delphinium flower bloom across the top. Nice gilt retention all around the rim, a little bit of handle decoration, single line down the side. The key and rare piece in this condition and this set is the large teapot. Let's get the other pieces out of the way and we'll look at this in a little bit more detail. So here's the teapot brought into the foreground. Lovely 2.5 pint teapot. Rotation and locking mechanism on the rim with two little openings here. This rim is very prone to damage, so if you are buying a Mirabelle teapot, just check the inner rim for any cracks or chips. This one's in absolutely perfect condition. Beautiful and clean. Classic lid formation for Wedgwood with the, it's not really an acorn shape, there's no moulding on this, it's very plain, upright lid handle. And then the teapot body itself, a lovely rounded squat teapot on a pedestal foot with this same pattern in a larger scale design all around the outer aspects, and then just a little bit of detailing again around the outer wall of the top of the rim. Nice large handle, similar, very plain, very cut back decoration on Mirabelle, where they just used the gilt to its absolute optimum effect to highlight the edges without detracting from the floral block design and patterns. And the cake plates in the background, let me bring one of those forward for you. I'll just re-lock that teapot lid and take it out of the way. Round cake serving plates, differ from the dinner plates. They did make Mirabelle in a range of dinnerware, so you can get tureens, gravy boats, tureens and lidded tureens and serving bowls all in Mirabelle and dinner plates. Beautiful decoration just around the outer rim, nicely marked with the Wedgwood R4537 marks, and again it's so nice and light and not too much heavy decoration. If you want something that's very spring-like and light on your tea table or dinner table, then Wedgwood Mirabelle is a fantastic choice. Still quite a bit out there and available for sale. Where it tends to get worn things to check, as I said, with the teapot, the inner rims, but also the gilt around the outer side. Really isn't ideal for going through a dishwasher. Should really be hand washed if you really want to keep it in this pristine and shiny, bright condition, with both the glaze and the gilt being retained to this beautiful extent that we've shown you on this collection. So I hope that's whet your appetite a little bit for Wedgwood. Mirabelle is one of my favourite late 20th century patterns. Such a beautiful, light, spring-like floral design, and the shapes just utilised to their absolute best with the minimalist approach of both the decorators, the pattern spread and the gilt. Thanks for watching.